Today we're going to talk about chandeliers. This is a simple chandelier that your average electrician should be able to hang by himself in an hour to maybe 2 hours with unpacking and taking the old one down. And that's a simple installation. Now we're going to show you some other more difficult installations. Current electric chandelier repair. Paul has shrunk the box, cut it down so that it'll fit in our pickup truck. This light fixture came to us in December. It was completely broken inside the box. We shipped it to Minneapolis. They repaired it, sent it back to us, and one of the arms was broken this afternoon. Paul repaired it, and we're going to hang it tomorrow. It weighs 250 pounds. It's on the ground. The eagle has landed. The boys have it hanging with a block and tackle, and we're waiting for the designer to tell us what height to set it at.